Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lainey. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to be doing a Partners in Cream project pan update, so if you're interested in seeing that, then just keep on watching. Before we get into that though, please remember to hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video from me. Alright you guys, so this is the final update for the Partners in Cream project pan. Next month will be the finale. Can you believe that is happening? How is it already November? But this project was created by the lovely Steph and Dylan. I will link their channels down below, as well as all the information you need to know about this project pan. And let's hop right into the updates. So first up, as always, we've got my Colourpop Flexitarian highlighter. This is what we are looking like today, and I used this 21 times this month. And I no longer feel confident that I can finish this by the end of the year, which is frustrating because I really thought I could at the beginning of the year, but clearly that's not going to happen. And this had a lot of use on it when I rolled it in January. So I think this will be rolling into the project next year as well, because I just want it out of my collection. I'm so tired of it. I just want it out. I have started to use it underneath my foundation. I haven't been doing that as much as I probably should be, but I know that's giving me a little bit more use too. So I mean, I used it 21 times. Like, that's a lot. Like, I use this so much. It's my go-to highlighter. I love this highlighter. I really like the formula. I like how it looks on my cheeks, but I am so tired of it that any desire to ever repurchase this is just gone. So this will probably be in, not be done, and I have accepted that. It's fine. Another one that will not be finished by the end of the year is my Colourpop Third Eye lipstick. Also has been in the project since the beginning. This is what we're looking like. If I use this as like a blush, I could probably get it out, but I don't use it as a blush and I don't want to. I'm never going to use this as a cream blush because, one, I have acne prone skin. I'm afraid of this breaking me out and also getting like acne bacteria like on the lipstick bullet, then putting it on my lips. And also I have a lot of cream blush, so I'm probably just going to reach for my cream blushes. But I used this 8 times. I feel like this has not moved in months. I'm tired of this. I have been mixing it with other things and that's been inspiring me to use it. But I'm just tired of this. Honestly, this is not going to be done by the end of the year. And I don't know that I will roll this into the project next year. I think I need a break from it because I'm just tired of it. So, this is sticking in. Will not be done by the end of the year, but oh well. The next thing I have is my Colourpop Campfire Super Shock Shadow. I used 3 times to hit pan. And we've got a nice pan in the bottom. I really enjoyed this. I paired this a lot with my Phytosurgence Amber Aura Cream Shadow that I have in my Roulette Pan Collab, I believe. These paired really nicely together, so I often use this as like a sparkly topper to that, and it looked really, really beautiful. I really like the Super Shock. It's nice and creamy. So I was happy to pan in that one. And then this one I accidentally threw out after my empties video, which you should have seen before this, if you watched that empties video. And that was my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless filter. So check out that video if you want to see how empty it got. It got pretty darn empty because I used my spatulas to empty it out. But I only used that 4 more times before using it all up and calling it quits. So I enjoyed that. I wouldn't repurchase it. I have other ones I like more, but it was a nice product. And then next we have another empty, and that is my Nude Sticks Gloss in the shade Nude 04. This one, I probably wouldn't have been done except the packaging broke on me, like on the side over here. And so when I squeezed it, product was squeezing out, like not where you would apply it, but like the side of like the tube. And so, sorry, it like, this is what it would do. You see that? So that was done. I couldn't squeeze any more out of the applicator, so I called that quits, and I used it 6 times until I called it quits. And finally, we have my nail polish, and I forgot to let it settle overnight. But this is my China Glaze Hook and Line nail polish. This has been in projects before. When I rolled it in, I like did that black line underneath the blue line. And honestly, I think there's maybe like 2 more uses to this, and I used it 2 times in the last month, once on my nails, once on my toes. This is going to, while I only think there are 2 more uses, this is going to be a stretch because last week I got my nails done with my mom. We got a manicure and a pedicure, and so my pedicure is gonna last me like a month. It's not gel or anything, it's just like nail polish lasts forever, and like if I spent money on a pedicure, I want the polish to last as long as possible. So that was on October 30th, so I probably won't change my toe polish until like November 30th, which will be like 10 days or so before I film my update or finale for this project. And then I also got my nails done, like, I mean, it's been like a week and they still look pretty good. So I'll probably give my nails another week before I paint them. So I'll probably make myself use that, even though I just got the Friends and Lights Lacquer collaboration in the mail. But I'm probably going to push myself to use that one so I can get it done for this project. So hopefully I can get this nail polish done by the end of the year. Not 100% sure. I should be able to. It kind of depends on if I force myself to use that nail polish or not. The other two that are still in, these are going to be in for the whole year and not going to be finished, but that's okay. So I finished the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter and the Nude 6 Gloss, and then I hit pan in a Super Shock. I am not going to be rolling in anything for the Charlotte Tilbury or the Nude 6 Gloss because we only got a month left. I want to focus on either using my collection for those products or just using other things in other projects. So I am just going to roll in a shade for the Super Shock, and this one is kind of similar to this one. It's a little more yellowy orange. This is more goldeny orange, and this is the Dost Thou Comprehend Super Shock from the Hocus Pocus collab. So it's just kind of like a nice yellowy orange shade. I just thought it would be good for fall time. So I have this one, and I have a purple Super Shock shadow left to hit pan on, and then all my Super Shocks now should have pan. If I didn't buy the Hocus Pocus trio, this would have been my last one. I did hit pan on already, like, because I hit pan on this pretty quickly. And so I started working on a next Super Shock shadow, which was To Be Young and Beautiful again from the Hocus Pocus collab. This one is like an inner corner highlight one. So I was able to hit pan on that pretty quickly. So that means I only have two left. A little bit of a ramble there. But yeah, we only have a month left to go. How is your Partners in Crime going? Let me know down below. Are you going to be doing it next year? I definitely will be, assuming that it's coming back. I think it's coming back, right? But I will definitely be doing it again next year. Flexitarian will probably make a comeback. Third Eye, I'm so tired of it. It's not coming back. Maybe after a few months, but it's not coming back. So yeah, once again, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment if you like down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!